Okay, what's up guys, welcome to another video, and today we are going to play with Squishy1. Yeah, he's my brother, and yeah, we will play Forge today. I have played Forge, but I never got that interest to grind for the best stuff. I have an IR, but today we are going to explore the first cave that beginners found. So if you guys wanna play Forge, you see what are you against. Yeah, he has like stone pickaxe. I don't know, and we are going to mine and try to get as much ores as we can now. Yeah, the rocks are one of the biggest in the ores in here. Yeah, and if you didn't know, here you can buy a pickaxe. It has more luck than platinum pickaxe, but I won't recommend it because it's really slow. Yeah, I currently have a platinum pickaxe. It's really strong, especially in the, what is it called? The Forgotten Kingdom. Oh wait, I got you. Yeah, also this is a very strong sword. And yeah. Oh, I see something enchanted. Or I don't know what it is this. Oh, mushroomite. Let's kill a zombie. You good? Oh no, he isn't. Okay, we just comboed that zombie. Okay, let's go deeper. Boulder. I'ma mine this. Yeah, he hasn't good enough pickaxe, so he can't mine this, but he will just head out for an adventure. Be careful! Okay. Oh, there's a rock, you can mine this. Yeah. I'ma kill the zombie. Oh, crazy, my sword two-shots the zombie. Oh, a boulder. I'ma mine this real quick. Oh, bananite! That's my favorite ore, by the way. I know it's not good, but bananite is just, I like bananas. Actually, just ate one. Oh no, I'm dead. Oh, my bro carried me. Oh, no. Don't die. We need to make a video where is something interesting, not dying over and over. Oh, a boulder. I'ma mine this. Yeah, this place is really good for grinding materials, but like in the other world or Forgotten Kingdom, you can get like better items, but like here, rock has 45 HP. There, some, I think, basalt. I don't know what it was called. It has like 250 health. So yeah. Okay, barely survived that. Okay, I think we head out and try to forge something. Follow me. The exit was here, I remember. We have to search for vines. And where's the vines? There is an exit. Oh no, boulder. We're really far. Where are you? Okay. Let's hope he made it out safely. Oh, there are a bunch of zombies. Okay, I think there may be. Oh, here you are. come here. We're going here. Oh, wines. We're really close. Oh. Okay, we found the exit. You come here. Yeah, my bro is pretty new at this game, so he doesn't have items like this. He has like ice and bananite. Okay, come forge. I think I place in bonite, titanium. It's good. Oh, lapis. Maybe some lapis and platinum. Okay, forge. Yeah, I'm pretty bad at this thing, like forging and stuff. But yeah, and by the way, where can you see your like class? I don't remember. I think I have dwarf, but I'm not sure. Okay, lock in. Okay. Oh, that's a big sword, or what is it? Axe. Perfect. Oh, nice. Okay. Perfect. Bad. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Good. Perfect. Okay, this looks like a good axe. I haven't really seen this thing. 32 damage! Oh no! I didn't. No. So stash. No. Equipments. Now I have 17 damage. This is almost the double. Or is it? Oh no, it's almost a double. But yo, it's so good. Oh yeah, forgot to put my armor on. I'ma sell these. Yeah, look what I got. Look. Yeah, he's flexing. Let's go sell all of our useless stuff. Yes, I actually wanna sell. Yeah, this is I got it from like a bunch of shroomite and the one eye thingy. I don't remember. Ior, I think it was called. Oh, 500. Oh no, it's 450. And how many? Oh, I have actually really much money. Yeah. Okay. Goblin gang. Oh wait. I wanna see. I think it was here where I could see all my. Now it's an enchanter, a rune maker. Okay. No. Yeah, I was just searching for the powers, like the abilities. Okay. Let's get back to mining. This time try not to get lost, okay? Oh, a boulder. I'ma mine this while you mine other ores. Ooh, that is pretty good. Oh, Another boulder. Oh, it attacks so slow. But at least it's really strong. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I like this one more because it's like really powerful and stuff. Okay. Mine this rock. Watch out! I got them. Okay, you take him. Okay, let's run past him. Run. Okay. Yeah, and I'm saving for a better pickaxe. It's at 10,000. Yeah, what does the fart they make do? They just run away? Okay, I'm really low. Oh no, I died. Okay, I'ma save you. Okay, he didn't respawn, so he survived. Okay. Oh, I think it's him. Or no? Oh yeah, it is. No, he died. Wait. I can't. He keeps running away. It's like a bit annoying. Oh, here you are. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing. It helps. And we are trying to post some videos. It will come like every 2 days. So if you subscribe, maybe they'll come faster. But yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.